Hello and welcome to my top 5 YouTuber live crypto trading gains. Starting us off at number 5 is the well-known and energetic Patrick Wyland, who enters a long position with a total of 25 ETH to take advantage of a trading range that emerged after an uptrend, making several hundreds of dollars of profit along the way.
130 area, and I think that would be our first target. All right, so we're pushing up to that 130 area now. We're looking pretty good overall. I'm looking at some different time frames, different charts here. Look like we should be able to get a push up here into the 30s. It's working out beautifully right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So that pushed through that resistance there at the 33. We had a high on that candle so far at 35. So we will hold. Basically, I can move my stop on this trade to the 124 area. Bottom of this candle will be in that 123, 124 area. I can move my stop there. We're basically going to guarantee we're going to lock in some profit here at least. And we're going to keep this day going, keep it going strong. So right now we're at $200. We've got 15 Ethereum left. So far, I've locked down 10 Ethereum. So I've sold 10 Ethereum from that area, the 115 area that we bought. And now we're looking for this to push higher. And I think we can get this to go. All right, so we're pushing up there above 140 now. Looking for that push. We'll see if we get a push up here to the 150s. Well, I think it really comes down to what Bitcoin does right now. Bitcoin's like right at that 46 level, flirting with that 46 level multiple times here. So I'm just kind of watching. I'm going to let my stop just do its thing.
Next up at number 4 is Joel on crypto, who takes a leveraged short position on Ethereum. He almost gets liquidated and nearly closes his position in panic, but maintains conviction and is nicely rewarded, ending a series of leveraged trades that turned $100 into $900.
Let's see if I'm right with this trade. Report coming out in 14 minutes and the stock market is going up. I think it might go up all the way to the report is released. All right, we have a lot of action right now in the market. The report just came out and I was almost liquidated. We had so much action in the market. That was very scary right now. Oh my God, it was so scary. I was almost liquidated and now we are dumping right to my 100% target, right past my 50% target. This is crazy, guys. Look at the stock market dumping like crazy. Oh my God, what is happening? This is so crazy. I was 1% to my liquidation price and we're now dumping like crazy, man. Oh, I was so lucky right there. I have now $775 in my account and I want to take more profit because this is not a good sign. Look at this dump, guys. This is not a good sign. We are breaking support all across the board here. Look at Ethereum going down like crazy. Everything is dumping right now. The US dollar is going up and goddamn, I was so lucky on this trade. And I think I will take my profit right now, to be honest. Or should I take the profit? I don't know. I'm so indecisive right now. I think it's a good idea to lock in some profit here and let's do it right now. Boom, there we go. Locked in some profit right there. Okay, I just turned $100 to $900 in 1.5 weeks in 3 trades. I was aiming for a 1000% profit on this trade, but you know, whatever. $900, not too shabby, not too shabby.
Securing the number 3 spot is Corey Trades, who uses 100x leverage on a starting balance of around $900 to control over $86,000 in a long position in Bitcoin, using an ABCD pattern to set his exit price. At one point, his unrealized profit reaches $1,500, and after closing his trade, he ends with a portfolio balance of around $2,500.
So here's my trade over on ByBit using 100 times leverage. All right, I have around 917 USDT in this trade for a total of 86,000 with leverage, 86,000 USDT invested into this position. We are hoping for something like this. We have our stop loss down here and then a large breakout to the upside, and we can use an ABCD pattern to calculate that. We just copy and paste that previous swing high and we paste that to the next lowest low point, which is right here. And that gives us a target of roughly $20,200. So let's roll the time lapse. Let's see what happens here. So I just got back to my computer, and as you can see, this trade is doing very, very well. All right, so we're beginning to see another push to the upside, which brings us to a total profit of 150%, or around $1,300. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting a little tempting to just close this out and take our profits, but a key component of trading is always letting your profits run and cutting your losses quickly. All right, so it's been a few more minutes. It's getting kind of late here. We are currently sitting at a balance of $2,442. Do I really want to let that disappear overnight, or do I want to save it to fight another day? I think the latter is probably the best option.
Coming in at number 2 is Coin Traders Daily, who uses a position margin of just under $16,000 to control over $750,000 worth of Bitcoin in a leveraged long trade. He adds to his winning position and maintains his composure despite volatility, landing him with over $6,000 of profit.
Okay, so we're getting filled up to 20 on this breakout right here. This is a double bottom. I'm going to explain to you the setup. I had my analysis here. This was a double bottom that I saw. We had structured lows right here. Maybe shorts down there would be interesting. But then the double bottom broke the neckline and made a top, and it was pulling on back. So I said, hey, I'm interested in the pullback. So I opened a little starter position here. We got to the 61.8 fib, giving us a 2618 trade on that on a double bottom. What we did here interested me on a 30-minute chart. We pulled back from the double bottom and we printed this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so I opened my starter position, and then I've been adding a little bit. I did add when we broke this wick high right here, so on this candle, and I did add, as you just saw this video starting, when we broke the highs here of the the all-time high. So this is the current breakout candle. We're trying to break out now, and so that's why I did add up to my position. Targets, well, we got structure highs up here, but we do have a bit of a problem area before that, so it's not going to be a clean riding. We have this area right here where we've come down and found support twice. So this is a bit of a range to play with. Right here we have 0.6%. We're at 38,700, so we're right above this range right now for our TPs. Hey guys, so we just closed this candle, not our favorite candle. So we came up in this area that we predicted was a problem area right here, these wicks, this wick down here, and we did close a bit of a wick and reject this area, but we still closed above the high here, establishing a bit of a breakout candle for me. So the game plan is not changing. All right guys, here we go. We made a new high. Looks like we just hit some stops. We just exploded through here, liquidated some shorts here, and we're getting filled here, taking profits. Beautiful. So let's cancel this conditional order, and we're done. Beautiful. $6,163.
And finally, standing strong at number 1 is the legend himself, CryptoFace, trading with over $830,000 at 20x margin to control over $15.5 million in a long position on Bitcoin. At one point, he was sitting at over $924,000 in unrealized profit and ended his live stream with over $500,000 in realized profit.
Yeah, world record, biggest profit ever live streamed in a trade that was done in 24 hours or a week long, call it.
You know, for the past 6 days, people have been telling me to just close the trade and take the profit since I was in 80K profit.
No, I ain't scared. I mean, it's like I said, like I've been saying all week,
So since the beginning of my YouTube career,
it's gonna zig and zag. It goes up, it goes down, but overall, it's gonna go up, as it has been. There we go, baby, let's go. I almost put another 1.4 million into this just now. Just the 3-hour momentum wave support was beautiful. Our divergence was coming down, and then boop, we had this first higher high wave. This is when we knew it's time to hung yeah on this trade. And that's when I fired this puppy off. Going for the record ain't no joke, man. I'm definitely not shorting, but I'm taking it, I'm closing it, and then I'm gonna get some rest, and then I'll get back in. I probably won't get some rest. I'm gonna try to sleep maybe for a couple hours, and then get back in when I see fit. When this hourly and this 30.
And those are my top 5 YouTuber live crypto trading gains. Let me know which one was your favorite and why in the comment section below this video. Be sure to subscribe and like the video to help support the channel. Until next time, take care and peace.